Parehong mali ang pagdepensa sa may sala. Ilabag. Kung walang intentional act, then legally, no culpable violation. Ground 2, betrayal of public trust. Ang legal standard dito is based on jurisprudence like impeachment cases. Must be grave, must be manifestly wrongful, must cause clear public harm. So ang tanong ko, ano ang konkretong betrayal?
Ako, ang tingin ko rito, maliwanag na nagpapanik na. Itong panawagan nila na TRO, so ito na ang pinakang desperate act to stop the impeachment hearings.
And so now, we begin. Dito nagsisimula ang opisyal na pagdinig ng kasong ito. Sa ating pagsisimula, tandaan natin na ang impeachment ay patungkol sa pananagutan sa bayan.
Your Honor, Madam Congresswoman, maganda ang paliwanag ng isang batang abogada. Neutral siya, hindi siya pro-Duterte, hindi rin siya sa kabila. Neutral lang. Nilabag nyo ang proseso ng impeachment.
Parehong mali ang pagdepensa sa may sala. Ilabag. Kung walang intentional act, then legally, no culpable violation. Ground 2, betrayal of public trust. Ang legal standard dito is based on jurisprudence like impeachment cases. Must be grave, must be manifestly wrongful, must cause clear public harm. So ang tanong ko, ano ang konkretong betrayal? Nasaan ang measurable damage? May direct evidence ba? Hindi sapat ang political disagreement, public dissatisfaction, at social media outrage. Mga kababayan, opinion is not evidence. Kung walang grave misconduct, no betrayal of public trust. Ground 3, graft and corruption. Ang legal standard nito, dapat may misappropriation ng public funds, may personal gain, may documented evidence. At tandaan, under Article 9D, ang Commission on Audit o COA ang nag-audit ng public funds. So my questions, nasaan ang COA adverse findings? Nasaan ang paper trail? Nasaan ang personal gain? COA cleared her, mga kababayan. And COA findings are clean. So kung walang documented misuse, then legally, no graft, no corruption. Hearsay is equal to legally insufficient. Fourth ground, other high crimes. Ang legal standard nito must be a defined offense under law, must be serious, must be proven with evidence. So my questions, anong specific crime? Defined ba ito sa batas? Nasaan ang proof? Undefined accusations is equal to no case. So, no defined crime, no proof, no high crime. Mga kababayan, tandaan ninyo, impeachment is not a numbers game. Hindi ito paramihan ng galit. Paramihan ito ng ebidensya. So if the allegations do not meet the constitutional threshold under Article 11, then the impeachment complaint is not only weak, it is constitutionally defective.